That check engine light, it's not just a light, it's stress, worry, and unexpected bills. But what if you never had to feel that way again? Imagine plugging in a simple tool and instantly knowing what's wrong with your car, without a mechanic, without guessing, without fear. Today, I'm reviewing the Autel AutoLink AL519, a powerful OBD2 scanner that puts control back in your hands. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, what it offers, and whether it can save you money and stress. Let's take back control. What is the Autel AL519? The Autel AL519 is a plug-and-play OBD2 scanner designed to read and clear check engine light codes, show live data and graphing data, perform IAM readiness tests for emissions, retrieve VIN, CID, and CVN info, display data in text or graphs. It's basically a step up from basic code readers, but still super easy to use. Design and build quality. Solid and durable handheld device. 2.8-inch color screen. Rubber side grips for comfort. 8 simple navigation buttons. No battery needed, powered by car OBD2 port or USB. It feels reliable and professional, not like a cheap toy. Key features.
1. Read and erase DTC codes. 2. Live data plus graphing. 3. Freeze frame data. 4. IAM readiness one-click test for smog check. 5. O2 sensor test and onboard monitoring. 6. Supports all 10 OBD2 modes. 7. Multilingual menu. 8. Free lifetime updates via USB. This is rare for its price range.
Vehicle compatibility. Works on all OBD2 cars, SUVs, and trucks 1996 and newer, USA. Gasoline vehicles worldwide. Some diesels depending on region. If your car has an OBD2 port, AL519 will most likely work. How to use. Plug into OBD2 port, turn ignition on, scanner powers up. Choose diagnosis, read codes, view problem plus live data, fix issue, clear code. No complicated setup. It's beginner-friendly. Pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use, live data plus graphing, emissions readiness button, durable build, free updates, great value for the price. Cons. Only reads engine codes, no ABS/SRS. Wired, not wireless. Screen is small but clear. Price. Usually between $50 and $70. For the features it offers, that's insane value. Final verdict. The Autel AL519 is the perfect bridge between a basic code reader and a professional scan tool. It's affordable, reliable, accurate, and packed with features that can save you hundreds of dollars over time. If you own a vehicle, this tool will pay for itself the first time your check engine light comes on. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews and card tips. Got questions about the AL519 or want me to compare it with another scanner? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.